Hey everyone, welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today, I'll walk you through how to add a tracking number to a PayPal order, an essential step for sellers to confirm shipments and get paid faster. Let's get started. Step 1. Log into your PayPal account from a browser or the app. Step 2. Go to the Activity tab to see your recent transactions. Step 3. Click on the specific order or transaction you want to update. Step 4. Scroll down and look for the Add Tracking Info or Update Order Status button. Step 5. Choose the shipping carrier from the drop-down menu like USPS, UPS, FedEx, etc. Step 6. Paste the tracking number you received from your shipping provider. Step 7. Set the order status to Shipped or In Transit. Step 8. Click Submit or Update to save. This helps release funds faster from pending status. It builds buyer trust and may reduce disputes. Easy as that. Be sure to follow for more PayPal tutorials here on Guide with Samuel.